Start. From the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, and even as per the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the land acquisition collector before the High Court, it was the case on behalf of the appellant that the physical possession of the subject land was taken over and handed over by the beneficiary department on 14/7/1987. However, thereafter, and relying upon the decision of this court, the High Court has allowed the said writ petition and has declared that the acquisition with respect to the land in question is deemed to have lapsed on the ground that the compensation with respect to the land in question had not been paid. Applying the law laid down by this court in the case of Indore Development Authority Supra to the facts of the case on hand, and the fact that the possession of the land in question was taken over on 14/7/1987, there shall not be any deemed lapse of acquisition as observed and held by the High Court. Under the circumstances, the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court is unsustainable. The mode of taking possession under the 1894 Act and as contemplated under section 24 subsection 2 is by drawing of inquest report memorandum. Once a word has been passed on taking possession under section 16 of the 1894 Act, the land vests in state. There is no divesting provided under section 24 subsection 2 of the 2013 Act, as once possession has been taken there is no lapse under section 24 subsection 2. The expression paid in the main part of section 24 subsection 2 of the 2013 Act does not include a deposit of compensation in court. The consequence of non-deposit is provided in the proviso to section 24 subsection 2 in case it has not been deposited with respect to majority of land holdings, then all beneficiaries or landowners as on the date of notification for land acquisition under section 4 of the 1894 Act shall be entitled to compensation in accordance with the provisions of the 2013 Act. In case the obligation under section 31 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 has not been fulfilled, interest under section 34 of the said Act can be granted. Non-deposit of compensation in court does not result in the lapse of land acquisition proceedings. in case of non-deposit with respect to the majority of holdings for 5 years or more compensation